Send snaps on Snapchat without uploading media. Here's how. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then, click on Search and type Snapchat. If you see an update button, make sure to update the app to the latest version. This feature is part of a newer update, so having the latest version is important. Now open Snapchat. Normally, when you upload a photo or video from your camera roll, it shows Media Upload. To bypass that, tap the drop-down arrow at the top right corner of the camera screen. Then, select Director Mode. Inside Director Mode, you'll see new tools on the right side of your screen. At the bottom right corner, tap the photo icon with a plus sign. This lets you import media from your camera roll. Choose your desired photo or video. At the bottom right, tap on Preview, and then select Send To. You can now send it to your story or directly to friends. And the best part? It won't show Media Upload. It'll look exactly like a freshly captured snap, and that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips.